Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a day to nighttime look. So first I'm going to show you the day version and then I will transform it into this nighttime version. So I will be playing with a new palette that I recently received and I think we're just going to dive right into the video. Now I will be playing with the Pretty Grunge palette from Huda Beauty, which is so gorgeous. But first, before I go in with any eyeshadow, I am going in with some eyeshadow primer like always. I'm just applying this all over the eyelid and this will remove the redness and leave me with a nice clean canvas for all the eyeshadows. Now I have already a video up where I use this palette, so if you haven't seen it yet, I will link it down in the description bar so you don't miss it. But I really like how that one turned out and it's a really smoky look. So if you do like smoky looks, definitely check it out. So I'm going to start with this light color and this is going to be like the first color I'm going to blend into my crease. It's quite a soft, like light color, but I want this to be my transition shade for today's look. So I'm just going to blend this all over my crease and just gradually build it up. So first I used a little bit and then I just went in with more and more until I'm just happy with how the color is looking onto the eyelid and the crease. So I just keep blending and blending and I really like this color. It's kind of like a mauvey pinkish shade. I think it's really beautiful with brown hazel eyes or green eyes because pink will definitely make the green in your eyes pop more, which I love. So I just keep blending and blending and I feel like the more I applied, the better it looked. Then I went in with this color right here and that one is so freaking beautiful. So I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over my eye. I feel like Huda Beauty eyeshadows in general, they're just really beautiful and especially shimmery colors are always having these beautiful pigmentation. Now when it comes to shades like this, I do like to use my finger because I do feel like it picks up most pigment. Then after doing that, I like to go in with a flat kind of like shading brush. Just go over it and make sure that the edges of the eyeshadow blend nicely into the matte eyeshadow. So you can't really see as it's just packed on. You want everything to blend into each other. So then I went in with the color Grunge, which is actually a creamy eyeshadow. I actually didn't notice this the first time I used this palette. So I did use like an eyeliner in my previous video. And now I felt like, okay, I just could have used this one. But I wanted to use it for my eyeliner today just to test it out. It's not as black as you maybe want it to be. But it does the job. I really like that she put this in the palette because it's cool. Like you have kind of everything in one palette. You don't need like a lot of different products in order to create what you want. Then after that, I went in with this color again and I'm going to use this now for underneath the lower lash line. This is the day look. So this is going to be just an easy look that you can wear. I'm not sure if everyone would wear to work. I would, but I have only had jobs where I was allowed to wear makeup. But I think this is like a nice soft look for like maybe bridal makeup. If you have a party. I mean, it is a soft look, but it's not super soft. It would have been softer maybe if I skipped the eyeliner, but still, you know, it's kind of like a soft glam look. Nothing too crazy, but it will definitely make your look different than only wearing mascara, you know what I mean? So then I went in with a lash curler because it's time for mascara. And for the day look, which is this one, I'm gonna go in with the roller lash mascara. I'm not gonna go in with any false lashes today, just to keep it a bit more on the softer side. Now I am not blessed with beautiful lashes myself, so I never really like how it looks when I'm only wearing mascara. But if you do have longer lashes, it's gonna look much better. But yeah, this was the end result. So now we're gonna transform this look into a nighttime look. So let's say, for example, you have worn this eye look all day and at nighttime you have like a special occasion you want to go for, you want to go smoky, and now I'm going to show you how to transform this. So I am going to kind of like wing it out. So I'm dragging this line and I'm going to just create a smoky eyeliner. Not a smoky eyeliner, an eyeliner, a wing liner. So this is the first step that I'm gonna do. Now I am gonna kind of like smudge it out, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but I mean, you can still just try your best to make it look as perfect because it will make a difference, obviously, if you do make it look nice. But at the upper part of the wing liner, I am gonna smudge it out. So now at the lower part, I'm going to try to make it as clean as possible. So I did go in with some concealer on a flat concealer brush and I went right underneath that wing liner to clean up all the mistakes. Then I went in with the color Renegade. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is where I'm gonna smudge above the eyeliner, which I was talking about. So I personally love this. I don't know why I never actually, I do this for tutorials on my YouTube channel, like smoky eyeliners, but I never really actually wear it when I'm not filming, just for myself. But every time I do a look with a smoky eyeliner, I just really, really like it. So I should just start wearing this. Like, why I'm not following my own tutorials? Because it just gives this beautiful effect and it's just perfect, especially for a date night look. It just, I don't know, the smokiness of the eyeliner just adds something that I can't really explain, but it's just really, I guess it's sexy somehow. I'm not sure if I'm the only one who feels like this, but let me know how you feel about this. So I'm just focusing on the blending. I went in with a different color to make the transition look a little bit nicer, but I mean, it's not that hard. You can just kind of smudge your brush back and forth. Just make sure that you use a tiny brush, and this way you can't really go wrong. So now I went back in with the black eyeshadow, but just a very tiny amount, and I'm gonna kind of go into my crease. Now, this was a little bit scary because I didn't want it to mess it up, because I was really liking how it was looking so far, but I just wanted to create this shadow into my crease, and then I switched to a tiny blending brush to smudge it out. I was just really taking my time with this, but I was happy that I did this because it does kind of create this, not really like a cut crease, but it does just make this whole eye look so different. If you compare it with like the day look, it looks, yeah, just different. But I really like it. This is definitely a look that I would wear, like, especially like if you, for example, have like a dinner, special dinner or something, or for your birthday, you want to look your best, or if you are marrying and you have a nighttime party, oh, this is going to be so beautiful. You can do it in different colors, bronzy shades. So today I went more for like this rosy golden vibe, but this will look beautiful in all color combinations. So then after blending that out, I went in with the Super Nudes Duo Pencil from Charlotte Tilbury, and I went in with the nude pencil just to kind of open my eyes a bit more. This will just brighten everything up and make my eyes appear a bit bigger. You can also go for like a smoky pencil, like a black pencil or dark brown, but I wanted to kind of keep the smokiness on the lid. Then I went in with the Queen Tarsi lashes, which are so stunning. Absolutely love these. They just go perfect with today's eye look. I'm happy that I chose them. So this was before the lashes and this is after. And yeah, I just really hope you like how this look turned out. Let me know if you're more the type of person that goes for the daytime look, or if you are more going for the nighttime look. Let me know. I'm really curious to know what you guys are normally going for. So yeah, I want to say thanks for watching. I just hope you enjoyed this day to nighttime look, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Even if you try